Welcome to this tutorial on Revolut Multi-Currency Account, a revolutionary financial tool that simplifies international transactions and money management. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, benefits, and practical examples of using a Revolut multi-currency account. First, let's define what a multi-currency account is. A multi-currency account is a type of bank account that allows you to hold, send, and receive multiple currencies in one account. This means you can manage your finances in different currencies without the need for multiple bank accounts. Revolut is a digital banking platform that offers a multi-currency account, allowing users to hold up to 29 currencies, including popular currencies such as US dollars, euros, and British pounds. With a Revolut multi-currency account, you can exchange currencies at competitive rates, send and receive international payments, and spend money abroad with a debit card. One of the key benefits of a Revolut multi-currency account is the ability to exchange currencies at competitive rates, without hidden fees. This is particularly useful for individuals who travel frequently, work with international clients, or receive payments in different currencies. To get started with a Revolut multi-currency account, you need to sign up for a Revolut account, which is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the Revolut mobile app. Once you have an account, you can add multiple currencies and start managing your finances. Practical examples of using a Revolut multi-currency account include receiving payments from international clients, sending money to friends and family abroad, and spending money while traveling. For instance, if you are a freelancer who works with clients in the US, you can receive payments in US dollars and exchange them to your local currency at a competitive rate. Best practices for using a Revolut multi-currency account include keeping your account funded, monitoring exchange rates, and using the Revolut debit card for international transactions. It's also important to be aware of the fees associated with international transactions, such as ATM withdrawal fees and foreign transaction fees. In conclusion, a Revolut multi-currency account is a powerful financial tool that simplifies international transactions and money management. By understanding the key concepts, benefits, and practical examples of using a Revolut multi-currency account, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your international transactions. Whether you are a traveler, freelancer, or business owner, a Revolut multi-currency account is an essential tool for managing your finances in a global economy.